We have a 2007 on a 57 plate Ford Mondeo diesel TDCi, metallic blue. There's a vandal scratch on the near side. The car's got alloy wheels, rear privacy glass, rear parking sensors. It's a Z-Tech model. Car comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox, CD player, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, 4 electric windows, remote central locking. There is a crack in the screen. The car has been sold as spares or repairs. It has done 162,000 miles. MOT till October 2018. No advisories on the last MOT. Obviously the screen must have been cracked since then. Please guys, give me a call. It's a cheap little car, no offers, thank you very much. It is being sold as spares repairs, no warranty. My name is Mike Wells. Telephone number is 0777 5644 628. Call before travelling please, I'm not always on site. Thanks for looking.